Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing our yearly smoke alarm inspection. It is December 1st. See, it's December 1st. We almost done it a year ago. So yeah, here we go. Alright, test that one down there.
I'm gonna go test that. I'll take this broom for the
Test the CO, okay? First. CO first. Alright, CO, set it off. Set off the CO, not the smoke. CO. Alright. Yeah. Alright, set, ready, smoke. Send it. Alright, that's good. Turn off the lights down there.
Seems to me the system's working.
Yeah, you got the broom?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you check all of them?
Yeah, I checked some of them upstairs.
Okay. All of them upstairs?
Not all of them, just some. I got the broom. Did you shut off the lights on there? Yeah.
I didn't turn on any lights except for that one.
Yeah. Ready? And press it.
Yes. I don't think I'm gonna reach though.
Oh man, bro. It does that. It does that. It'll do it 2 times.
I like the ones that talk.
Yeah. Like those. It'll go off again for some reason. See? I told you.
Just to be cautious. I wish we had those in our house.
Yeah.
I like the ones that
No, I don't like Kid at all. I like First Alert better.
I like the ones that talk, and also it makes it 10 times easier to test.
Yeah.
You just click it once and it tests the whole thing.
Yeah.
Instead of you having to hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll get the one in the hallway. You get the bedrooms, okay? I'll get the one in the hallway. Don't worry.
Liam, can I record you doing one?
No, I'm fine. There's my mom's upstairs. This one.
It didn't go off.
It's not connected to the system.
I don't hear anything else going off.
Yeah, it's not connected. We need to fix that.
Yeah, what if there's a fire in the hallway? Then it'll take a while for either the bedroom detectors to detect it or this one down here.
But it's already too late. That one detects it because smoke already by that scene. Whole room always covered with smoke. Yeah.
So we need to fix that sometime.
You got the bedrooms?
Yep. Should we do the game room first?
No, there's no
there's
smoke
nothing
detectors
in
back
there?
here. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'll see. I can go upstairs with you. Yeah, get my room. Get my room. Skip my loo. Hold it. Just don't hold it for too long. It's not that loud. Woo, woo. Aaron's room. Not that loud, right? Yeah. Skip, skip, skip my loop. I don't really like that one.
I like that one on there.
Yeah, it kind of stays in alarm for like about 20 seconds. Yeah,
So-
my mom's room.
Even if you like have something ventilating that brings the smoke out, it'll still keep setting off the.
Yeah. Got that one? That one in there?
Where?
My mom's room.
Your mom's in there.
Yeah, no. Just get it real quick. Okay. Yeah. And we'll fill out the log. It's on. Hey, Logan's by the door on that wall. See it? Yeah. I don't like that red light when it ends.
Yeah, that one's a loud one.
Yeah.
The red-
That was a new battery.
The red light looks scary.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll make us faint instead of get out of the house. We'll just drop to the floor and we'll wake up in
Yeah.
flames.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. End the video. Hope you have a nice day. Make sure you like and subscribe. And
And
bye.
check out our new game, Fire Test 15 on Roblox.